Jun. Yan, paso. Nunez! Wala! Lako pa rin. Loose ball by Nunez. 26-21 official score. Next game. Al Masaud versus Batangas Restaurant. Natapalan ni Torres. Ito si Torres. Talagang height is might. Ika nga. Ito si Quiroz to Nunez. 26-23 official score. Munti ka na mawala.
Bro, substitution ha.
Baak. Ayun. Sa ilalim. 8-second shot lang. Nice shot. 28-23 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin po ang MSMR. Glenn. Paso Quiroz. 10-second shot lang. Torres. To Figueroa. Natabalan. Figueroa again. Mudu. Okay, ito si Paak. Paak binigay kay Villanueva. Villanueva penetrating inside. No good rebound by Torres. Binigay kay Quiroz. Ito na si Quiroz. Nagbababa na bola. Susunod niya ni Paak. He goes back. Wadu! 30-25. Official score. 1 minute. 10 seconds. Nunez! Wala pa rin ang Juan Quanzon. Pasok back. Back. Nawala lang bola. Substitution rep. Substitution. Number 9. Number 9 out. Konting bilis lang po. Pasok si number 25. Camillo. 18-second shot lang. Stolen by Nunez. Ito na si Nunez. Nunez to Padu! 30-27 score. Natividad. Pass to Baak. Baak lays up. Pass to Quanzon. And there's a foul committed by number 17, Torres. First personal foul on Torres. 13 foul. Strikers. Time remaining 39 seconds in this ball game. Official score 30-27, still in favor for Amazon Brothers. 31-27. Next game, Batangas Restaurant versus Al Masaud. Ito si Danny. Danny. Nakagawa siya ni Villanueva, but there's a whistle. And a foul committed by number 21, Quiroz. First personal foul on number 21. Running for penalty. Striker. Pass to Quanzon. 33-27. 15 seconds. Wala na po tayong oras. It's end of our second quarter. Official score 33-29. Still in favor of MSMA Travel. Brought to you by Void Sports, YouTube Computer Systems, Brigo International Cargo, and Power Thread.
Sinasabayan na rin si Gawan. Sinasabayan na rin ang takbo ng mura. Ito natin.